Warm welcome to my sweet children. Keeping yourself hydrated is very much important. When you have water frequently, you will not feel thirsty and you will be able to concentrate properly. And most importantly, you will feel fresh throughout the day. Let us have a quick recap of previous session. In previous session, we saw three-digit number name, place value, and face value. In this session, we are going to see three topics. The first topic is, do you have any guesses? Yes, we are going to see expanded form and short form. What is expanded form? In expanded form, we break a number or split a number according to their place value by expanding it to show the value of three digits. Suppose we have a three-digit number, we will split the number according to its place value. Children, I would like to show you a small video clip. Shall we see the video clip? Children, did you see the video clip? Yes. In the video clip, I have a hidden message. The hidden message is expanding form. Did you notice here the bow and arrow that Tom and Jerry is using? The Tom and Jerry is using the string in their bow to pull the arrow and point it at each other. Here, pulling the string, we can have it as expanded form. So, they are expanding the string in the bow so that the arrow goes straight to the opposite person. Same way, here in expanded form, we are going to expand the number which is in normal form, which is in short form. We are going to expand the numbers according to their place value. After that, when we are using the numbers, it will be back to the normal form, that is short form, or it can be called as standard form. Expanded and standard form of a number. Expanded form of a number is written by breaking down the number according to the place value of each digit. In other words, it is the sum of the place values of the digit. Consider, here they have given you the 674. The number is 3-digit number and 4 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place and 6 is in hundreds place. So, in expanded form, we have to write the numbers according to their place value. 6 is in hundreds place, so we are writing it as 600. 7 is in tens place, so we are writing it as 7 tens. And 4 is in ones place, so we are writing it as 4 ones. So the expanded form of 674 is 600 plus 7 tens plus 4 ones. So in expanded form, it should be written in the numeral form, that is 600 as 600 plus 7 tens as 7070 and 4 ones as just 4. Why are we using plus symbol in between these numbers? It is that in expanded form, you can also say that when you add all these number, you will get this number. For example, in ones place we have 4. Here in ones place we have 0. Here in ones place we have 0. So when you add a number with 0, you will get the same number. So here we have got 4. Same way in tens place, we have 7 here. Again in tens place, we have 0 here. Any number added with 0 is 7. We have 7 here. Here we have in hundreds place, we have 6. And so it is here. So when you add the expanded form, you will get the number which is in the standard form, that is the short form. 674 is the short form. It is also called as standard form. To write the standard form of a number from the expanded form, write the face value of each digit at its correct place. Yes, yesterday we saw place value and face value. Place value is writing the value of the numbers where the digit is. Face value of a digit is the same as the digit itself. So, 674 remains short form and it is a kind of face value. An expanded form is a kind of place value where you expand the numbers and write the values of each numbers. The following numbers in the expanded form. They have given you the numbers and you have to write the numbers in the expanded form. So in hundreds place we have 6. So we will write it as 600 and we have to add plus and 7 is in tens place, so we are writing it as 70. Then we have to put plus symbol. After that in ones place we have 5, so we are writing it as 5. So 600 plus 70 plus 5, which gives us 675. B 756. So 7 is in hundreds place. So we are writing it as 700 and we are putting the plus symbol. After that we have 5 in tens place. So we are writing it as 5050. Then in ones place we have 6 and we are writing it as 6. When you add 700 plus 50 plus 6, we get 756. 9. Write the following numbers in the standard form. What is standard form? Standard form is also called a short form in which we are writing the face value of each number. What is face value? Face value is that we are writing the value of the digit is the same as the digit itself. A. We have 800, 9 tens and 5 ones. So we are writing the number in the hundreds place, that is 8. After that we have number in the tens place, that is 9. After that we have 5 in the ones place, so we are writing 5. So the standard form of 800, 9 tens and 5 one is 895. B. We have 900, 6 tens, 0 ones. So we have 900. So we are writing it as 9. 6 tens we are writing it as 6 and 0 ones. So we are writing it as 0. So for 900, 6 tens and 0 ones we have written it as 960. Form is that we are expanding the number which is in the short form and writing it according to its place value, and standard form is that we write a number using digit, that is the number in short form or standard form. It can also be called as standard form. Here is the clue for the next topic. Any guesses? Yes, it is predecessor and successor, that is before number and after number. We are going to find the before number, that is predecessor, and after number, that is successor of the given 3-digit number. The and successor. The number which comes just before a given number is called predecessor of the number. For example, the predecessor of 459 is 458. So what is predecessor? Predecessor is the writing the before number of the given 3-digit number. Here they have given 459. The number which comes before 459 is 458. That is, we have to find the predecessor of 459. The before number of, that is the predecessor of 459 is 458. So predecessor means you have to write the number which is the before number of the given 3-digit number. The number which comes just after the given number is called successor of that number. So successor means writing the after number of the given 3-digit number. For example, the successor of 525 is 526. So we have to write the successor of 525 is 526. Note, the number 590 comes in between the 589 and 591. Along with predecessor, successor, we have in between, that is between. We have to write the numbers in between the two numbers given. Suppose they have given you the 103 and 105. In between these two numbers, you have to write 104. Write the predecessor of the given number. Here they have given you the number. You have to write the predecessor of this number. That is, you have to write the before number of the given 3-digit number. Here we have 378. So the before number of 378 is 376. Here we have 908. So the predecessor of 908 is 907. 11th one. Write the successor of the given number. Successor is, you have to write the after number. So here we have 894. So after number, that is successor of 894 is 895. Next one, 699. The successor of 699 is 700. 12th one, write the number which comes in between the given numbers. So they have given you the two numbers and you have to find the number in between these two. We have 932, 934. In between, what number we will get? It is 933. Next one, 359 and 361. So after 59 we have 360. So children, predecessor is the number. You have to write the before number of the given 3-digit number. Successor means you have to write the after number of the given 3-digit number. And in between means you have to write the number which comes in between two numbers, that is 932 and 934. We had 933. So we have to write the in between number which comes between the two 3-digit numbers. Topic of today's session is comparing numbers. What is comparing numbers? They would have given you two sets of number and you have to compare those two numbers and write which is the greatest number by using the symbol. What symbol do we have in comparing numbers? We have greater than symbol, lesser than symbol and equal to symbol. Here I would like to show you another video clip. Come, let us go watch the video clip.
432 and 824. The gator eats the one that's worth more. He looks at the place values from left to right. It's the greatest hundreds place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. 355 and 332. The gator needs to eat the one with the greater value. He looks at the place values from left to right. 5's the greatest tens place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. 145 and 149. The gator needs the greater value on the number line. He looks at the place values from left to right. 9's the greatest ones place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that's greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast.
Did you like the video? Yes, the video was about a hungry alligator who always eats the bigger number. So what is the shape of the alligator's mouth is? It is the shape of the greater than symbol or lesser than symbol. Yes, so it always eats the number which is greatest. What does it do? So by seeing the numbers in the hundreds place, it decides which is the greatest number and eats that number. Suppose if the number in the hundreds place are same, what does the alligator do? The alligator saw the number in the tens place and they compared the numbers and it ate the bigger number. What if the hundreds place and tens place numbers are same? So the alligator cleverly saw the number in the ones place and decided which is the greatest number and ate the greatest number. Here, comparing numbers, we have to do the same thing. Then they have given 3-digit number. You have to see the number always in the hundreds place. Yes, when the number of the digit is different, when two numbers have different number of digit, the number with more digits are greater. Which is greater? We have 3-digit number and we have 2-digit number. It is obvious that 3-digit number is greater. So we have to put the crocodile mouth, that is, imagine this is the mouth of the crocodile. It is coming to eat the 765. So we can say that 765 is greater than 58 when the number of the digit is same. When two numbers have the same number of digits, compare the digits at the highest place, that is the hundreds place. If the digits at this place are the same, compare the digits at the next place on the right. If the numbers in the hundreds place are same, you have to see the numbers in the tens place. Then continue doing this until you get a different digit at the place. Example 3. Compare 345 and 452. Here we have two 3-digit number. So we have to see the numbers in the hundreds place. In 3 for 345 we have 3 in hundreds place. 452 we have 4 in hundreds place. So when you compare the number in the hundreds place, you can find 4 is the greatest number. So as the number of the digit in the both the numbers is the same, we have to compare the digit as the hundreds place, as 3 is lesser than 4. So 345 is lesser than 452. Example 4. Which is greater? Same way, here also we have two 3-digit number, but in hundreds place we have 4 and here also in hundreds place we have 4. What did I say? When you have two same numbers in the hundreds place, you have to see the numbers in the tens place. Okay, here we have 5 and tens place. Here also we have 5 in tens place. When you have same number in hundreds place and tens place, you have to see the number in the ones place. Here in ones place we have 6 and in 458 in ones place we have 8. Which is bigger, 6 or 8? It is 8. So let us see here. The number of digit is the same, that is both are 3-digit number. So compare the digit at the hundreds place. Yes, we did. We have two same numbers. The digit at the hundreds place in both the number is 4. Now compare the digit at the tens place. Yes, we did that also. What did we do? In 456 we had 5 in tens place. In 458 we had 5 in tens place. The digit at the tens place in both the number is 5. Yes. So compare the digit at the ones place. So did we compare the digit in the ones place? Yes, we did. We saw 6 in ones place and 8 in ones place. And which is greater? 8 is greater. As 6 is lesser than 8, we can say that 456 is lesser than 458. 13th one. Compare the following numbers using greater than, lesser than or equal to. A. 678, 956. Here, as we discussed earlier, we have to see the numbers in the hundreds place. Here in 678 in hundreds place we have 6. In 956 in hundreds place we have 9. So which is greater, 6 or 9? 9 is greater. So we have to write 678 is lesser than 956. B. 760 or 89. Here we have 3-digit number, here we have 2-digit number. So it is obvious that 3-digit number is greater. So let us write 760 is greater than 89. C. 554 or 558. Here in hundreds place we have 5. Here also in hundreds place we have 5. Okay, let's go for tens place. Here in tens place we have 5. Here also tens place we have 5. So we have to see the numbers in the ones place. Here in 554 we have 4. In 558 we have 8. Alligator eats the 558. We can say it as 554 is lesser than 558. Sweet kids, in this session we saw three topics. What are those topics? That is expanded form and standard form, predecessor, successor, and finally we saw comparing numbers. Next session we will be seeing ordering numbers, that is ascending order, descending order, and even and odd numbers. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you, children.